Students and teachers at the Morant High School in St. Thomas are beaming with excitement after they were gifted with fans from the school's Alumni Association. Former president of the association, Brian James, says the initiative was born out of concerns about the impact of global warming and the approaching summer season.
We realize as alumni association that there is a problem with global warming and everything. All the classrooms are a little bit too hot for the children. It makes them uncomfortable. Learning is impaired. And so we decided, all of us, to put together to buy some fans.
The aim is to ensure that each and every classroom is fortified with fans or air conditioning units so that both students and teachers and other members of staff, they are comfortable in their environment.
Marsha Ford Bryan, principal of the 61-year-old institution, expressed appreciation for the partnership with the Morant High Alumni Association.
We appreciate the alumni. They have been giving a whole some other things. They have been helping with our ICT in terms of internet infrastructure, and I could go on and on. But for this morning, it is a blessing to have them here with us. They worshiped with us this morning, and we are appreciative as a school of the contribution that we have been getting from them. God bless them.